In primetime news this evening, destruction all around. Residents impacted by 2 days of flooding, counting their losses. Fresh concern over authorities' control of the Bogwalk Court during times of severe flooding. And is Jamaica losing the battle against cocaine addiction? Experts answer in part 2 of TVJ's In Focus report.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I'm Janella Precious. With a preview of what's to come in the business day, here's Andrea Chisholm.
Well, Janella, this evening we're talking about alternative investments. There are concerns the region is missing out on some big bucks, and I'll have the details in the business day.
All right, thanks, Andrea. Spencer is here with a preview of what's coming up in sports. Spencer?
Thank you, Herman. Well, Jamaica and Argentina are just about now kicking off their big friendly international in New Jersey. Live coverage on TVJ SN and Hits 92 FM. When we come back here, it should be just about halftime. We'll give you the full update then.
There's also sports commentary, E-Prime, and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
Our question this evening: what do you think is the biggest issue with drains in the country?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica, and tweet us at televisionjam1.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.